Hello everyone. Today is read Today is study about lesson to me reading. Listen to your teacher and repeat. Rotha and Tida are classmates. They are in grade 6 in Takmau Primary School. The school is around 300 meters from their class house. They live in the the same commune and village Takmau Tomato village. Takmau commune Kondal province. They go to school together every day. Rotha always talk Tida to school by bicycle. They are very happy with their classroom and school environment. Rotha is good at Khmer language and Tida is good at science and maths. In their free time, they participate in the school activity. Okay.